What is going on, guys? We are getting ready for a barbecue. We've been planning this for months, and it started out just being our little group chat of maybe like 6 or 7 people, and we started spreading a flyer around, so we're gonna see how many people actually turn up. So everyone's bringing stuff for the barbecue. I'm bringing some soda, and I'm also bringing a Easy Up like canopy. I have it in the back already. That's all I'm bringing. Other people are bringing like food. There's people bringing grills, people bringing all kinds of stuff, so it should be pretty good. So now we got the car warming up. We got everything ready. We are good to go. We made it. Now we just gotta find everybody. We made it. We got this nice lake over here. Later on we're gonna get some pictures over there of the cars. For now we got everything parked. Everyone's getting things set up to start cooking. So it's 1:30. We told everyone to come at 2, so we got everything set up. So we'll see how many people actually show up. So I've done a couple things with my 240 that I did off camera. We have a turbo blanket now, finally. PTP one. I now have an overflow. Yeah.
I didn't see that too.
We got a pretty good turnout. A lot of cars showed up.
Yeah, that's one thing that...
Got like all these cars. A couple over here. Yeah, I'm about to get some pictures of Freddy's car. He's got a YouTube channel. Have it below. So we're gonna get some pictures. Oh fuck. Jesus, dude.
Where's he at?
I would go that way. It feels faster than a stock KA. Jesus, dude. Dude, it's fucking weird sitting over here. Damn, this sounds good though. Damn, I want one. This thing's so nice. Even like with all the work that needs to be done, like it's so... I just ran into a fucking pole. Damn, I need to put a helmet on, dude. Shit. So for a while now, I've been debating on what car I need to get next. And a GTSD is on that list. And they're so easy to find that it's hard to not go with one. I already know the RB. I have the same motor. I know what we need to replace, and power steering. Damn, I need that. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens. Definitely an option. That's video. Yeah, we got Tommy and his RX-8. The park is closing at 7 in like 20 minutes, so everyone's heading out. Got a really good turnout. Hey, dude, where's yours? You know, this piece of shit here. Everyone's trying to real quick get some photos over there. I was gonna get some of my 240, but that's okay. Next time. So R32. Here he goes.
That's nice.
Dude.
That's the sickest helmet.
I want to get pictures of my 240, but there's a Volvo like right in the way. God damn it. And here we go. The 240 on the dirt, on the grass. Damn, look at this fucking guy. Damn, dude. Hey, can I get your autograph?
Yeah, bro, you have some video?
Dude, are you Freddy's garage? They're like security over there. Park is closing. We gotta go. Well, there goes Freddy. Get my light on. And looks forward. We had a really good turnout. We should do these more often. So the barbecue was a success. Thank you to everyone who came out. We're definitely going to be doing it again. Had a great time, met a lot of cool people, and now I'm on my way to the desert, so I will see you guys later. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like, comment down below, and hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.